Hi friends, it's Kids Cartoon Puppets. Let's learn our shapes and colors with number blocks. We have number 1, and he's in a red mobile, and it's a circle. Ready, steady, go! Next, we have number 2. He's in an orange mobile, and it's an oblong. Okay, ready, steady, go! Next, we have number 3. He's in a yellow mobile, and it's a triangle. Here we go! And next, we have number 4. He's in a green mobile, and it's a square. Ready, steady, go! And last but not least, we have number 5, and he's in a pentagon.